Hello guys, welcome to the market channel, and it's good to have you guys again today. And in this video I'm going to be talking about futures trading, how to start futures trading, the steps, what you need to know about futures trading, whether it's profitable or not, when you should start, when the best time for you to start, and what you need to start, the amount, and also the knowledge you needed to start. I'm going to be making this video like a series, so I'll be starting with the basic idea of futures trading. So just follow up with how we are going to be making the video over time. I've had I've been busy recently about posting video on my channel, to educate people, to bring more knowledge to them. But I will be trying to possible best to make sure I complete this series of futures trading, which is a way of making money, the fastest way of making money on crypto. And before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, just click on the subscribe button as you can see, and don't just subscribe, also put on the notification as you can see, so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. And also don't forget to smash the like button. So let's continue and let's get started. So for this video, I've already moved some money to the futures trading account. I trade futures. So if you follow my channel on my Telegram, the link is in the description of this video. If you follow my channel, you're able to know that I do a lot of futures trading, and I post them in my Telegram group. So which I'll still be showing you over time, but like I said, to make this video simple for the beginners and for those that have been trading before but still want to have a knowledge of futures trading, this video is for you. So for this video, I already put a small amount in the futures account. I left a small amount in the future account so as to just to show you a practical example of this. So let's get started. So this is Bybit exchange. We have Binance, we have Mex, we have other exchanges that you can use for futures trading. But this is Bybit, and if you want to go to futures trading or the future part of Bybit, you click on trade. Once you click on trade, let me take this down. So once you click on trade, or let me just take this off, sorry. So once you click on trade, you can see the options on the upper part here. You can see convert, you can see spot. In case you are not on features here, you can see spot. So in case you are not on features, just go to features. You can see features on the upper part. So just click on features. Once you click on feature, you're going to have this page. So you can see on my chart, my BTC chart, you can see that I've traded a lot of features. You can see my orders, sell order, buy orders. I keep selling at the top, buying low, buying up, buying low. I did a lot of technical analysis, so I do drop it in my Telegram group. Like I said, if you check my Telegram group, you see the result of all these trades and everything, how we've made a lot of money from that. So for people that also followed us, I'm also happy for them also. So but this Christmas period has been a little like calm, because Christmas period people are just there to chill. People are just there to spend money. So most traders are not there trading. So the volume is always low and it's always annoying. It always does more ranging. Market range more or consolidate during festive period. So which is why I'm not really traded. You can see, you didn't really see buy or sell that on the chart. Recent ones since it got close to the Christmas period and the New Year period. So I'm openly waiting for the next day, January again. So to resume trading back again, and you start seeing my update in the group. So let's continue. Like I said, I funded this account with a small money, so I left a small amount in the futures account so as to show you, because I don't want to put it on my funds and I'm using it for practical. Big I'm saying. So question now is, what is futures trading? So futures trading, I want to close this. Okay, so the question now, what is futures trading? Futures trading is basically, we have two forms of trading on crypto. We have basically We have spot trading, we have futures trading, we have margin trading, we have options and the likes. So, but futures just basically you are performing a leverage trading. Basically, you are the broker or the exchange is borrowing you more money to hold a particular position. So let's assume you have $100 to open a position. Depending on the leverage you are using, so you can, even though you have $100, you can open a position with $10,000. You can open a position with $1,000. You can open a position with $500, even though you have $100, because by the time you leverage your position, the broker or the exchange is borrowing you more money to hold that position. The only down and the upside to it is that the only upside is that whenever you are in profit, you become easily more profitable. Like this, you become, whenever the price moves just a little bit, you make more profit. And whenever the price drops just a little bit, or price goes against you, then the market, then you lose more money, or you lose everything, or you got liquidated. Either of those two. So if the price is in your favor, the market is in your favor, you make more money. And the market is against you, you lose. Either you lose part or you lose all, depending on your risk management. Maybe you put a stop loss or you don't put a stop loss or anything. So that's for that. But that's main idea behind futures trading. I would say just like you are leveraging and basically holding a position than what you can afford to. So the exchange is just basically borrowing you more money to hold that position, which they always want you to lose because they want to make money. When you are winning, they have to pay you, and they are not always happy with you. They always want you to lose. So we are not going there that day. We are not going there today. So let's continue. So you see some stuffs there on the futures trading. I'll be explaining everything one by one. So you see this isolated margin. If you click on it, you also have cross margin. You also have portfolio. Sorry, let's put this down. You also have portfolio, margin. But the most important one you should know is isolated and the cross. So this portfolio, you can talk about it or just leave it in. But the most important one is the isolated and cross. Now, I will explain. When we talk about isolated means basically that let's assume you have $100 in your account. You have $100 in your futures account, just $100, and you open a position with $20. So if you open a position with $20 and you have $100 in your account, and let's assume that $20 got liquidated or was about to liquidated, and you only use isolated margin, it is only that $20 you put or you use to open a position that is going to get liquidated. So yeah, that's for isolated. And for the cross margin, is basically, let's assume you have $100, and the $100 you have, let's assume you use $20 to open a position, which means that if the position you open with $20 is about to get liquidated, or the trade is about to lose finally, meaning your whole $20 will be gone. So instead of the trade getting losing, or instead of the trade getting liquidated, the system automatically cross over to your balance, the remaining $80, and use that balance to keep the position open. And if the position keeps running in loss or going against you, you keep losing more money, until you take a reverse. And if the price did not take a reverse at the time till your balance got liquidated also, that means you lost the whole $100. But if it is an isolated margin, you only be losing just that $20 you used to open that position. But for cross margin, it will be crossing over to your balance once your amount you used to open the position is about to lapse. So, but since you are just starting, I would recommend you using a isolated margin. That's very important. So the next thing is leverage. So for leverage, basically, like I said, is like borrowing you more money, or let me just say is like they are borrowing you money to trade. That's what leverage is. So they are borrowing you money to trade. So uh the more your leverage, the more money you have to trade, and the more profit you get when price goes your way. But when you use less leverage, when you use also the other side, when you use more leverage, the more money you have, but when the price starts goes against you, you will lose your capital easily. That's what it means. So, but if you use less leverage, same thing applies. You have less money. If price goes against you, you will lose lesser easily. And if price goes your way, you also make more. You also make money lesser easily compared to using more or higher leverage. But since you're a beginner, I would recommend using between 10x to 5x leverage. So let's assume that you have $100 and you use $20 to open a position, $20, and you use 10x for that $20, which means 10 times 20, that's 200. It means you are using $200 to open that position. So the exchange is borrowing you $180 extra to your $20 and making it 200 to open that particular position because you are using 10x. You are using 20x, that's 20 times $20. That would now be $400. So you are using $400 to open that particular position. So that's what it means. So that's how it is. So they had the position, they had the leverage, they have the amount you are using to open that position. And the lower the leverage, the lower the amount you are using to open the position. So that is it. So don't over leverage yourself as a beginner. Put it in mind. You need a proper risk management. So don't over leverage yourself until when you are becoming an expert in the field. That is when you can start using a higher leverage in the game. So most times, especially when I'm trading Bitcoin, I use 21x, 20x, maybe 25x max, but my standard is 21. So if you do follow me very well in my Telegram group, you notice that most of my stuff is always 21x. So that's it. So let's continue. So then we have limit, we have market. So let me start with limit. Limit is basically you are setting a price that once price reach this particular point, you should activate even if you are not with your phone or you are not in the market at the time. So currently the price of Bitcoin is at 94.2. Let's assume I want to long this particular point now. I want to long the Bitcoin. So maybe I want it to be when price get to 93.5. Activate this trade for me and enter the trade. So I will type 93,500. So this I will drag it. If I want to use all my whole balance, I will drag it 100%. If I want to use a small part, you can see as I'm dragging it, the amount is changing underneath. So I'll be using everything here. Then you can set your stop loss also. My entry price is 95.3 and my entry price is 93.5. So I can put my stop loss to be, I always try to use 1000 below, 92.5. So the first one is take profit, as you can see. Let's see when price gets to 96,000, take profit. This one is 92.5. Stop loss. These are just your assumptions. So then I will click on this. Don't forget when you are using stop loss, you have to choose if you are longing or shorting. You can see, but I'm longing. So that's it. So I've clicked on long and then I can click on open position because I want to long, I want to buy. So if you check the order part, you can see that my order is pending. The order price is 93.5. So when price gets to 93 price, once market gets to 93.5, it's going to activate the trade for me even though you are not there. So I can cancel it now. Same thing applies to shorting trade. So the current price is 94. Maybe once price gets to 96,000, short it. I drag everything. So short it. Maybe I want my take profit to be, since I'm shorting, I'm expecting price to come down. Maybe when price gets to 90,000. So don't forget you are shorting. You have to choose short 90,000. Yep. So once price gets to 90,000, you can see that point. So we have 94. Once price gets 90,000. So my stop loss, since I'm shorting, let's just put maybe 98. So and then I can click on short. So you can see that price is being pinned at that price. So I can cancel that one also. So that does that. But if I'm using market, it means I'm using instant execution. Immediately I put the amount, let's say this, and I click on long or short. You can also put your stop loss and take profit. So it's going to instantly open. As you can see, you check the position, you can see the price is open and it's currently on. Oh, my battery is low. I need to plug it. Let me finish this video. So you can see that. So that's for that. And you can also set your take profit and stop loss later on, even after you've opened a position. I have videos on that also, if you also need that. So let me close that for now. So that's us basically the interface of futures trading. So for how to calculate the amount that you will lose or gain based on the leverage you use. So I make a video on that on my YouTube channel. You check through, you see this video, how to calculate stop loss, price, and amount for futures trading on an exchange. So that show you the calculation behind everything. So you can watch that video. And also don't forget to put on the notification, because my next episode will be how to analyze the chart, how to check the chart, and I will make sure I did do everything on phone, that is on my Android. So and I will, or if you're using an iPhone, so make sure to do that on phone, because I know that not everyone has access to system or to PC. So my next episode will be how I do analyze my chart. You can see, and if you want to change it, if you want to change the coin from Bitcoin, just click. All you need to do is just click on the place where they wrote BTC USD. Just click on it, and you can choose other coin, search the name of the coin. So that does that. So maybe I want this to change automatically. So the next video will be how I do analyze market, how I do find my entry and exit. So that will focus more on fundamental and technical analysis. How to get the right entry for your trade, how to get the right exit for your trade, how to make sure you're making money by trading futures. So wait for our next episode, put on the notification so as to get notified when the video is uploaded. So thank you very much. Love you guys and have a wonderful day. God bless.